Hi everyone, nice to meet you all. My name is Gabriel. I'm my Sweets Paradise founder. So what is my Sweets Paradise baking mix? Well, you know how people who suffer multiple food allergy often flag as fussy eater? And what we do is we create the baking mix that will make the life and the cook life much more easier with our new game changer recipe. And yes, they are all dairy-free, egg-free, gluten-free, vegan, and they taste absolutely tasty, absolutely beautiful products, and they are super convenient. And yes, no cardboard taste, no, they taste delicious. In fact, it is such an amazing product that my Sweets Paradise baking mix has Anthill Magazine 2015 Top Smart 50 Product Innovation Award in the past. So we are really proud of that. Thank you.